Well, I'm here at the Apantac stand here at IBC 2018. This is one of 3 videos we're doing here, so don't forget to look out for the other 2, all of them with this man, Mr. Thomas Tang. Hi, Thomas.
Hi, how are you?
Yeah, very good. We're talking KVM here. Tell us a bit about what we're looking at.
Well, we're not just looking at KVM. One of the demonstrations we'll show is the KVM. Here, first we're going to show an encoding output of H.264.
Yep.
So here you see it's an OG9 multiviewer, 9-input multiviewer in an open gear frame.
Yep.
So we're here, that's a direct output of the multiviewer.
Yep.
Now we're going in through one of our encoders.
Yep.
Now here you see an encoded output in H.264.
Yep.
But this is a hardware decoding.
Yep.
Okay, so when we move from the hardware decoding, now we're coming to show you the software decoding here. So now you're seeing the software decoding.
Yeah.
So advantage of this is you have a multiviewer output. You can put it anywhere on your network or even at your desktop without any hardware decoders.
And what I was quite impressed with looking at, because you've got a clock on there, is how low the latency is.
Yeah, the latency is less than a second, so it's really good. So again, now let's finish up with the KVM portion of this. So this is actually a KVM switch, it's a KVM over IP. Okay. So we'll use regular gigabit Ethernet switch, and you can go and switch.
Brilliant.
It's very fast and smooth.
Excellent. Again, you're here at IBC. People can come and see all this, but if they weren't able to get here, can they find out information on the web?
Yes, at www.apantac.com.
Thomas, thank you very much. Well, there you go. You want to find out more about the amazing systems here at Apantac, go and have a look at their website. Check out the other 2 videos we've done here, and for more from IBC, look at kitplus.com.